Hi, this is Becky with Icing on Top Becky's Cakes, and today we're going to make homemade fudge filling, or you can even use this as an ice cream topper. But we're going to start with 1 cup of butter, and I'm going to chop it all up and stick it in the pan so that it's easier to melt. And once we melt this, then we're going to add everything else. So I have it on a medium-low right now, and I'm just going to let that melt. And keep stirring as we melt it, make sure nothing's going to burn. And then we're going to add the 3 cups of granulated sugar. And then we're going to add half a teaspoon of salt and 1 cup of milk. Then we're going to get out our sifter, and we are going to make sure we sift in the cocoa powder. We're going to use 1 cup of cocoa powder. We're going to make sure that sifts in really good so we don't get any lumps or anything. And now we're going to want to stir this up really good. We still have it on a medium-low, and so we're going to keep stirring it, and once it is all in there, we're going to continue to stir it through the whole time so that nothing burns on the bottom. We're going to stir it for like 20 minutes. It's a long time of stirring, but we want to make sure that all those sugar granules get dissolved as well as possible and that it's nice and smooth. But it's pretty easy to make. You just have to have patience with the stirring. So this homemade fudge recipe is what my mom would always make growing up, and she would put it on homemade ice cream, and it was so yummy. And we would eat it hot. You can use it at room temperature too, but I liked it warmed up on the ice cream. It was so good. But anyway, that recipe is what gave me the idea that we should totally put these in cupcakes. So I started putting them in cupcakes, and oh, it's so good. No matter what kind of cupcake you like. If you have a chocolate cupcake, and I hollow them out with like an apple core, and you'll need like hollow about 3/4 of it out in the middle. You want a little bit on the bottom, obviously, to hold in everything. And then you just put them right in there. I usually use a baggie or a piping bag, and that you just cut off the tip, and you're able to fill it a lot easier. And then pipe buttercream right on top, some vanilla buttercream, and then drizzle some more fudge on top. Oh, it is so good. Or you can put chocolate buttercream on that. I've even done coffee flavored buttercream. It's very good. There's all kinds of options there. Okay, so now it's been about 20 minutes. It's looking really nice and smooth, and so it's ready to be poured out into a bowl. And remember, if you're going to use this to fill cupcakes, make sure it is completely at room temperature before you fill it with cupcakes. If you're going to put it on like Sunday or something, then it's obviously already hot, so you can put it right on. But yeah, for cupcakes, just make sure it's completely cooled. And if you want to check out my other videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks!